Question number 28. 60 minus 30. Okay. Now we have said it before that when we have 60, we mean 6 tenths, right? And when we have 30, we have 30 tenths. So 6 tenths minus 3 tenths means what? Means 3 tenths. So we have here 3 tenths, which is what? 30. Excellent. So let's do the next one here. We have 2 plus 7. Now you can use your fingers, okay, or you can count on, and believe me, counting on is much easier. Try to be familiar with counting on and counting back, because this is much easier strategy. So we will put the 7 as a greater addend inside our mind, and we will count on 8, 9. Amazing. So we will have here 9. Okay, now let's answer number 30. 5 minus 1. Okay, you can use your fingers and say, okay, we have 5 here on one hand. I will take 1 and it's equal 4. But I want you to count back. So if we count back, we will say, what is the number before 5? 4. So the answer is 4. Okay, now let's solve question number 31. Okay, now we have 13 minus 5. Now you cannot use your fingers, of course, because you have 10 fingers on your 2 hands. Okay, so totally we have 10 fingers only. So how can you do this? That's why I'm telling you, please try to get familiar with counting back and counting on. But I need to ask you a question here. Should I count back or count on? We have here which sign? The subtraction. Subtraction means counting back or counting on? Counting back. So we will count back. Okay, so let's count back. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Excellent. So the answer is 8. Good job. Now let's solve the next question here. Question number 32. We have 52 plus 40. So we will do the T and O, the tens, the ones. Let's add the ones together and the tens together. Now 2 plus 0 equal 2. Now 5 plus 4 equal 9. I can't say 5 plus 0 because 5 is 5 tenths and 0 is ones. I should add the tens with the tens, the ones with the ones. Okay, remember all with this. Now let's answer the last question for our lesson, question number 35. Okay, Laura collects 8 more stamps than Samson, and Samson collected 38 stamps. Now we will write here that Samson collects how many? 39 stamps. Okay, now Laura collects 8 more stamps than Samson. So I will do what? In order to, we need to know how many stamps does Laura collect. What are we going to do? Should we do addition or subtraction? Let's look to the problem. It says Laura collects 8 more or less? More. Excellent. So more than means we will, of course, we will add, because here we have more than. Okay, so we will have 39 plus 8 equal. Now let's do the T and O. Here we have the tens, and here we have the ones, and here we have 8 only, so this is ones. Okay, let's add the ones together. Then let's see what about the tens. Okay, I believe that if we draw it, it will be much easier for you. So let's draw it together. Here I have how many tens? I have 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, what about the ones? I have 9 ones. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Because here we have 8. Okay? So here we have 9. Let's color it green. We have 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we have here the 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, as we have done at the beginning of the lesson, we will take 10 ones together and form 1 10. So let's do it together. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we will take all of this together. And this will be like if we said we have here 1 tenth, 1 more tenth. Okay, so let's count together. How many tenths do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have here 4 tenths. What about the ones? Let's count the remaining part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 7. So here we will write 47. Now this is the easiest way for adding a 2-digit number to the ones and creating 110 in the addition. Okay, why I'm crossing the 10 ones? Because we replaced it with 110, and I don't want you to get confused and to count the ones again and the tens again, and this is going to be a miss. Okay, now I hope you understood this lesson. It was more about practicing addition and subtraction. Starting from tomorrow, inshallah, we will deal with a new chapter, and I know that you're going to love the next chapter because it's about more drawings and it's really so funny, so you will love it a lot. Now I hope you are all fine. Stay at home, stay safe. May Allah bless you all. Goodbye and see you tomorrow.